Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze ayah number 27 of Surah Mulk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now this begins with the word falamma. Now here, for this word, your fa should be light and it should be given one count. Your lam should join with the meme, as your meme is mushaddad. So you will also read your meme with akmal gunna. That is most complete gunna. So stretch your gunna and give your meme two counts. Falam. Now moving on to this word. Ra'awhu. Your ra should be heavy as it is with a fatha and it should be given one count. Your hamza is with waw liniya, so read your lean complete, not aw. It should be aw. Ra'awhu. Your ha should be given one count and circle your lips for the dhamma. Now moving on to this one. These two words. Your za should join with the lam. Your za should be with the buzzing sound. Zu, zul, zul. The lam should be given moderate timing. Do not bounce your lam and keep your lam light. Fa should be light and it should be given one count. Your ta over here is with fatatan followed by sin. So what is the rule over here? The rule over here is ikhfa. So what will you do? You will hide your noon over here and your gunna over here should be light because sin is a light letter. Okay, moving on to this one over here. What do we have over here? Your sin is with ya maddiya followed by a hamza. So what will you do? You will stretch it to 4 or 5 counts because this is mad wajib muttasil. And then the ta at the end should be read with hums. Hit the makhraj and then release air. So how will you read? Zulfatan si'at. Okay, inshallah. Now moving on to this part. The waw over here should be light. It should be given one count and circle your lips for the letter waw. The jeem over here should be without air and it should be given 2 counts because it is with waw maddiya. The ha should join with the lam. The lam should be kept light. And your zal over here should be read from its makhraj. Take care of the makhraj of zal, which is the tip of your tongue should touch the edges of the front teeth. And then it should be given 2 counts because it is with ya maddiya. Your noon should be read with 1 count as it is just with fatha. Now moving on to this one. Kafaru. Your kaf should be given 1 count. Your fa should be given 1 count. Your ra should be heavy and it should be given 2 counts because it is with waw maddiya. Your waw over here in this word should be given 1 count and circle your lips for the letter waw. Your qaf should be given 2 counts as it is with ya maddiya and your qaf should be heavy but not that excessive heaviness. Take care of that. It shouldn't be like the kha, neither it should be like oi with excessive tafkhim. It should be waqila. Okay, the tafkhim, that is the heaviness of this letter, should be at the lowest level. Waqila, the lam should be given 1 count. Now moving on to this part. Ha is given over here 2 counts because it is with alif saghira. Your zal will join with the lam over here and then your zal over here should be given 2 counts and also take care of the makhraj of zal. Hadha alladhi. Now moving on to this part over here. Kuntum bihi tad'un. What will you do? This part is ikhfa and then this part is ikhfa shafawi. This is the rule of noon sakina. Letter noon is followed by the letter ta. So here you will hide your noon and then you have meme followed by the ba. So this is the rule of meme sakina. Okay, so both the places, what will you do? You will have to hide both the letters. Here you will hide your noon and here you will hide your meme. Okay, so how will you read? Okay, your ba over here should be given 1 count. Your ha should be given 2 counts. And here your ta will join with the dal. Your dal should be without air. Okay, tadda and then oh. And then the noon at the end should be read and with moderate timing. Give moderate timing to the noon at the end. Do not bounce your noon. Okay, so practice well with the Shaykh inshaAllah ta'ala. جزاكم الله خير. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.